In this video, we're going to be going over the NaytonTech Headlight Reminder Beeper. This beeper has one purpose, to remind you that your headlights are on when you've turned your ignition off. I'm pretty sure most of us have come out to a dead battery because we accidentally left our headlights on, and our older Honda, or older car in general, did not have a chime or a beeper to remind us that our headlights were on. The wiring on this is extremely simple. There are 3 wires. You've got your black wire, which is ground, your orange wire, which is your illumination. This is the signal that tells it that your headlights are on. And then you've got the red, which tells it that your ignition is on. So the way this works, and we're going to simulate a morning drive to work when you have to have your headlights on. So we're going to turn our battery on. So you get up, go to work, go out to your car, you turn your ignition on, start your car. You leave and you have to turn your headlights on because the sun isn't up yet. Turn your headlights on. Drive to work, everything's normal. You get to work and you turn your ignition off. And you get reminded that your headlights are on and you turn your headlights off. That's its purpose. It is fairly loud. We did install a little TPU plug here to dampen some of the sound. Now this will be up underneath your dash, so you do want it fairly loud so you can hear it. But that is it. That is the whole purpose of this beeper. Now it will work. You do not have to turn your ignition on first. Anytime you turn your headlights or running lights on and your ignition is off, this will beep. I have 2 basic designs on the wiring. The ground wire will always have a little eyelet here so you can screw it into any small bolt, or even if you're just going to screw it into the chassis of the car, you can do that. You are also welcome. You can clip this and wire it into any ground wire that you have. For example, like if you're wiring it into your radio harness, which this will work with. This version that I have here is designed for the EG. I can't remember if the EK uses these same plugs, but I will double check that. This will clip directly into the under dash fuse box, so you don't have to do any splicing of wires. The EF version will just have a spade connector. Will look kind of like one of these right here, because it uses a different style clip. Now I've got an EF fuse box here, and I will post diagrams of the other models that I can get my hands on. So this is the fuse box under the dash, and there are some accessory plugs. These 3 here and the 2 up here. These 2 are the ones we'll actually be recommending you use. This right one is your headlight signal, so this is where the orange wire would connect, and then this side is your ignition, and this is where your red wire would connect. The yellow wire, the black wire can go anywhere you can get a ground, but that's as easy as it is to install, especially on the EFs or the CRX. And I will put I'll try to get as many of the diagrams and color code them for some of the other older Hondas. And those will be up on the website at NaytonTech.com. That's pretty much it with this beeper. If you guys have any questions on install, anything that I didn't cover or didn't make perfectly clear, you can post it below in the comments section. You can also reach us via email at NaytonTech@gmail.com. We also have a section on the website where you can reach out directly. It'll send us an email. I'm also on Instagram quite a bit, which is at NaytonTech, as well as on Facebook at NaytonTech. Reach out to us at any of those places if you have comments, suggestions, anything like that, and we'll see you next time.